So I hit the used bookstore today, and I feel like I found a buried treasure. There was a set of books. Not sure if you can read that, but it's the here we go, American Heritage Cookbooks. It was a pair of them in the sleeve, and I pop it out, and there is just all of this stuff kind of tucked in the back. With a cherry tortilla recipe and a chocolate chip pie, an old Campese's menu. Look at the prices on that. A recipe for a poppy seed dressing, a recipe for an iced tea, and some old-fashioned lemonade. Now, I picked this up. Sorry about the mess of the ottoman. This is where the cats like to lay typically. It's got some beautiful photos. See? Aren't they pretty? And we'll show you the history of American eating and drinking. I've seen these Sally Lunn buns in a lot of my old cookbooks. I might have to try that. But on top of that, I got a complete bean cookbook, which probably won't try any of the desserts because every last one of them uses soy flour, and I am allergic to soy. And then I found this book from 1940s that I'm looking forward to trying, going through. And then last is this one, the Cane River Cuisine. My grandfather's family was from Natchitoches, Louisiana. I would visit on spring breaks and summers as a child with him, and I remember going there to move my great-great-grandfather's headstone because people kept vandalizing it and taking the headstone everywhere. Actually, I need to go back and check on it. I think my grandfather's last trip, he put a fence around it and cemented the headstone in that my great-great-grandfather had carved for himself. And then the state of Louisiana ended up listing it as a family grave site. But every time I go through, we're usually just going through on the way to my wife's family's in southern Louisiana. But I'm kind of excited. It has the Natchitoches meat pie recipe, and which I'm looking forward to making. I've done it in the past many years ago. But I found this in the Cajun section. That part of Louisiana isn't so much Cajun, it's Creole. But my family was not Creole. They came in the mid-1800s to that area. But yeah, I'm excited to play with this.